Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are starting off on the daily time frame because yesterday the daily definitely did make a nice big engulfing move to the downside. If that does prove that this is the end of a wave C, which it looks like it may, I mean, I could possibly picture this being like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and going up again, but I think more than likely there's an internal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So it looks like a complete pattern to me. I would like to see it break below structure to really confirm that the wave C is over, but so far it looks fairly good. If that is the end of a wave C, then this should now go down and make new lows because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement of the last impulsive move down. If it really is the end of a correction on the daily, then this move up right here would only be a pullback to this move down. It potentially would only go to one of these Fibonacci levels, and then it would make a nice engulfing move to the downside and end up continuing the downtrend. If for whatever reason it does go up and give us a break of structure up here, then that definitely disproves that the wave C is over on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.